What's good, YouTube? Instructify here. Today's video I'll teach you guys how you can turn on dark mode for TikTok on your iPhone. So what you have to do, you have to click on the three dots right here. Then from there you have to click on settings and privacy. Once you click on that, you have to scroll down till you find display, right? Click on display. Then you have two options right here, light or dark. You could click on dark, but you also have an option where it said use device settings. You could also click on that, which will follow your device settings right here. To set that up, what you have to do, you have to go to settings. Then once you're in settings, you have to click on control center, right? And once you click on that, so I already have it, so I'm gonna remove it. So what you have to do is click on dark mode, and you have to turn that on. Then once you turn it on, then you should have the option right here. And from here, you can control it. So let's say turn on light right here. My whole TikTok is gonna be light. Then I turn on dark. My whole TikTok is gonna be dark. So it's your choice, and that's how you turn on dark mode on TikTok. If this video helped, make sure you like and subscribe.